Kranji Coastal Nature Park was built as Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve's extension, opened on December 6, 2014. Sits between the original Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve and Kranji Reservoir Park, which formed part of the Sungei Buloh Nature Park network, in 2020. This is Kranji Coastal Nature Park. Visitors Center complex houses the Mangrove Gallery. Here, you will find exhibits and information introducing the unique environment of mangrove swamps and various cases to learn about the biodiversity found in the mangrove environment within the coastal areas in Singapore. Discover the beauty and wonders of nature of Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve at Singapore's first ASEAN Heritage Park. Uncover a world filled with rich biodiversity as you wander through the wetlands with an extensive mangrove forest of Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve. Sungei Buloh was first opened as a nature park in 1993. In 2002, a total of 130 hectares of landmass were officially gazetted as a nature reserve and renamed as Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve to better reflect its purpose. In the same year, it was recognized as a site of international importance for migratory birds and awarded a certificate by Wetlands International, marking the reserve's formal entry into the East Asian Australasian Shorebird Site Network. In 2003, Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve became Singapore's first ASEAN Heritage Park. Since then, Sungei Buloh has further expanded to include 202 hectares of mangroves, mudflats, ponds, and forests, providing an even larger sanctuary for the flora and fauna that call it home. This includes the newest eastern extension, known as Sungei Buloh Nature Park Network, that houses a brand new visitor center and new trails for visitors to explore and enjoy, which is more accessible by public transport. During the birds' migratory season, from August to April, visitors can catch a glimpse of the diverse flocks of non-native shorebirds, or waders, including plovers and sandpipers. Throughout the year, visitors can discover the native inhabitants such as mudskippers, crabs, shellfish, water snakes, birds, spiders, monitor lizards and otters, while admiring the beauty of resident birds such as herons, kingfishers, and sunbirds. In summary, there are 2 trails to explore at this Sungei Buloh Nature Park network. The coastal trail consists of a 1.3-kilometer long walking path that runs along the coastline. It is well paved and has a boardwalk that brings visitors over the water. The trail is also easily accessible with baby strollers. Next, there is a 300-meter forest trail, which is gravelly path that cuts through the forest. Finally, the coastal trails, which has a 150-meter long mid-canopy walk consisting of a hanging, springy, wooden bridge linking the forest and coastal trails, where visitors may find themselves wobbling after finishing the walk.